Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we're gonna discuss about how we can create a document type in web method. So we already created here one folder. So I just right click on this particular folder, then new. Here document type option is available. With the help of we can create a documents. So I just click on the document type. Here I'll give the name as request one and next. I'll click on the next button. So if you want to create a manual document, then you can select this option. If you have any XML file and if you want to create a document with the help of XML, then just you need to click on this particular option. Then next, so those location. Here you need to specify your location. So just browse it. Here the customers XML I saved on the desktop. So I just select it, open. Then here you need to select the finish button. Here this is the order, you can ignore it. Now here you can see the particular document got created. So likewise you can also create the another document, like if you have a JSON document, JSON file, and with the help of you want to create the particular document, then how we can create. Now just right click on the particular option, new, then document type. Here you can mention new document type 2. Next, here the JSON option is available. Next, then you can browse it, which is save on my desktop. So I just select it, open, and next. Here you can select the Java wrapper type. If you want double, float, a long, integer, whatever it may be, then just I'll just finish it. See guys, here the document got created, JSON document got created. Likewise, there are another option as well. We can see document type. Next, here you can see if you have a DTD type file, XML schema file, with the help of you can create a document. Also, if you want to create a manual document, then just select the none, then finish. So empty document type got created, and with the help of a palette option, if you want to like if you want to drag and drop the string, you can give the name. If you want to drag and drop the document list, also you can. Otherwise, if you have a document, if you want to drag and drop the document, this is a variable, you can drag and drop and you can create a document. So in this way, in that way you can create a document in web method. So that's all about today's video guys. If you like this video and this is helpful, if you like this is helpful video, so guys please subscribe to my channel, because if your subscription is our motivation. And please feel free to comment, ask a comment in comment section. Have a fun guys, have a great day.